What's up, guys? Video I see here. Doing another quick unboxing. Got me something in the package today. Go ahead and open up. See what we're working with. Open. It's in there real good, guys. Boom. Got a little truggy, y'all. Go ahead, pop the window on it so you can see what she's looking like. There you go, guys. There you go. Alright. Go ahead, cut this open. Seal. Boom. This is going to be accelerated unboxing. This looks really good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, go ahead. Keep putting the cutter away. Again, comes with your batteries. Alright. Your transmitter. Right. 2.4. It also has the charger cable in the bottom. Alright, there you go. And that charges right into the little truggy. Right. And here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. You guys see that? This looks really good, guys. That's an awesome looking little truggy. Show you guys the other guys. I got two of them. Got like the truck, the trail truck. I got a truggy. I really do like the way a truggy look. It's real slick. It reminds me of the RC14. The RC14. This is baby brother right here. It's pretty awesome, man. I ain't gonna lie. Can't wait to run this guy right here. Let me see, pop the lid off for you guys. Like I said, real quick unboxing, nothing too special. Pretty similar to the truck. The truck has 4 body clips, as the truggy only has 2. Only 2 clips. Big difference in body size, but as far as the actual vehicle, they're built exactly the same. Different, different body mounts, different wing. The shock positions are the same place. The tires obviously is different, but other than that, it's the same, and the bumper is different, but it's the same vehicle, guys. So you got the truggy and the truck. This is a CR28. I believe it's a TR28 for the truggy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries in here and get her charged up. So again, quick unboxing. Just showing you guys what the TR28 looks like compared to the CR28. All right. Charge it up, quick 20-25 minutes. And like I said, I got the TR here, and this is the TR, this is the CR. All right. So again, there's a rechargeable LiPo that's in here. It's already in the vehicle. These wheels, they actually, like the rear, they actually pops off. The whole wheel with the plastic rim, everything comes off if you take them off. There's a motor back here and the gear and everything in there. And yeah, it's pretty simple, just like the CR I did earlier, my previous video. All right, so I'm gonna put the body on. Just do a quick little run around, a few little jumps. Have a little fun with. So yeah, my kids, they have a lot of fun. They were driving the truck around all day.
Big Jeezy got it locked, boy.